ang ayaw yung maram. Uy, ralewe niya sa napakaurang akong buha. Para may bakantinan tinahin na ikon isingan ko. Tawon rawale po. Kumiyaw na may dola pa ikon isingan ko.
Nasa minum saja na kemanasan ibu. Sini pun non kemanasan orang curang ibu. Ang kalau na naman ni sa Bainimarama. Bukan na sa I'm especially pleased to be opening yet another of our women's resource centers, which are designed to empower Fijian women by providing them with a stake in the national economy. This one will not only serve as a social gathering place for women, but a sewing center for the province of Bua, in which our women can make clothes and sell them. The income they receive will not only benefit themselves and their families, but provide them with something equally important, a sense of independence and accomplishment. There's a wonderful spirit in other centers I've opened under this program, a tremendous sense of women coming together and gaining a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment in making items that other people want to buy. And as I've said, in the vernacular, it doesn't end here, because there's no point in producing something worthwhile without linking that product to the marketplace. In other words, introducing the seller to potential buyers. That is why the government has adopted an integrated approach to the marketing of items made by small or big producers under the Buy Fijian, Fijian Made program. So I ask you all to strive for excellence in what you produce, to make these items as attractive as you can, to enable you to get the highest price you can. The whole idea of this initiative is to extend the participation of ordinary Fijians, in particular women, and in this instance women in Bua, in our economy, into areas of the country that have not benefited. So this is a great day for the women of Bua, and a great day for Bua as a whole. Because I've also said, because our women are the backbone of every Fijian community, and what benefits them benefits everyone. I would especially ask the men of Bua to support their women folk in participating in this scheme. Encourage them to come here, take an interest in what they do, and be proud of the items they make. There's an old saying, from little things, big things grow. Everyone that in the world who started a successful business started small. So however modest these centers may seem when they start, we are sowing a seed that has the potential to bloom, and giving ordinary women both an opportunity and a sense of purpose. So I'm personally very proud of this program. I believe it's one of the most important things the government has done, to not just preach the need for more to be done for women, but to do something practical about it. To deliver an initiative across the nation that has made a real difference to the lives of our women. Extend to them the benefits of economic participation. Give them the tools to improve their own lives. That I keep talking about, not the handouts of the past that ended when the hand was taken away, leaving ordinary Fijian people no better off than what they were before. I also want to use this opportunity to repeat an important message to Fijian men that I will keep repeating until we finally get a change in people's attitude. it is time for all of us to think long and hard about the treatment of women in our nation. Because the continuing level of domestic violence in Fiji, of abuse of women, of sexual assault, is shameful. Truly a national disgrace. Back in February, when I opened the Women's Resource Center in Kandavu, I revealed some shocking figures on sexual assault. A total of 739 cases before the courts. 262 of these cases against children. Once again this week has come yet another reminder of the shocking incidents of rape in Fiji. This one, an alleged gang rape. It has got to stop. We all have to have a good look at ourselves. And I remember, and I repeat what I said in Kandavu, the days of any lenient attitude of to raping, demeaning, mistreating and exploiting women are over. Through my government's initiatives, the police have adopted a policy of zero tolerance of all violence against women. We need to treat them as equals, encourage them to be heard, encourage them to fulfill their dreams. The dream here today is that many more women in Bua can be empowered, both economically through the money they earn and by achieving a sense of personal satisfaction and self-worth. As Prime Minister, I very much hope that you embrace the opportunity to learn new skills, that you gain a renewed sense of purpose by benefiting from those skills, and that the benefits flow not only to ourselves and to yourselves and your families, but the wider community. Do not hesitate to seize the opportunity. Do not hesitate to insist on the right to be treated with honor and respect, to be given a freedom to earn a living and live a life free from violence, exploitation and abuse. Right across the board, my government has either tightened our laws or introduced new ones to give Fijian women an unprecedented level of protection. We brought in the first domestic violence laws in Fiji's history. We have strengthened the rights of women who live in de facto relationships. We have removed the old Victorian rules for corroboration of rape. Our criminal laws are now modern and gender neutral, and we have worked hard to modernize all our laws to make sure they reflect equality between men and women. But it's now high time for people to change their mindsets, especially our men. So I appeal to you, our women, use these laws to protect yourselves. Use them to enforce your rights.